Namaste. So today we will study about the reflexes. The simplest neuronal pathway is the reflexes arc. This involves one or more sensory neuron, association neuron in the spine and motor neurons which carry out the reflex entirely before the brain is aware to the response. So reflex arc, you can see here the reflex arc how it works. First is you can see the pain receptor present in the skin which stimulate the sensory nerve fiber and then sensory nerve cell body. Then it goes to the relay nerve fiber in the spinal cord, in the cerebral spinal canal. And then it passes through the ventral root and then to the muscles or motor and plates. So let's see why these all controls are in the brain only. Brain are result of the selection for centralization of the nervous system. Neuron control movements, the brain or spine interprets sensory signal and determines the appropriate movement, that is behavior. Appropriate movement is critical to survival of the most animal species. Next is the neuronal organization. So you can see this, the nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system receives and processes information, initiate action. Peripheral nervous system (PNS) transmit signals between the CNS and the rest of the body. Then brain and the spinal cord receive and process the sensory information, initiate the response, store memories, generate the thought and the emotions. Spinal cord conducts signal to and from the brain, control reflex activity. Motor neuron and sensory neuron. Motor neuron carry signals from the CNS that control the activity of the muscles and glands. Sensory neuron carries signal to the CNS from sensory organs. Then somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system controls voluntary movement by acting the skeletal muscles, and autonomic nervous system control involuntary response by influencing the organ, gland and stomach muscles. Sympathetic division and parasympathetic division prepare the body for stressful and energetic activity, fight or life. Parasympathetic division dominates during the time of the rest and rumination, direct maintenance activity. So hope you will understand the neural organization of the nervous system. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.